Yo, what's up squad? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Dylan. I hope all of you are good as always. But feels like it's been a long winter, but today's beautiful. It's actually 8 degrees, the sun is out, the snow is starting to melt. Hopefully spring is just around the corner. Got my fingers crossed. Hopefully spring is just around the corner. We need to bring out these cars out again. We need to have fun, and I can't wait for it. Okay, so for today's video, we're gonna try something different. A lot of business people say it's good to invest in yourself, so that's what I did. Check this out. So as you can see, I just picked up this new GoPro. This is the GoPro Hero 11 Black. I don't know much about this camera, but I felt like it was time for an upgrade. So today we're gonna be testing this out, see how it works, see the mic, see the audio, see the visuals. I'm curious to see how far GoPro has come. The last GoPro I have is the Hero 4, so it was time for an upgrade, bro. We're on 11 now, I was on 4. So let's go test it out. We're gonna bring out the cars. That's my job for today. It's a nice day. Let's see if they run. Hopefully the battery starts, and let's see how well this GoPro does. Just for reference, this is my old GoPro Hero 4. This was the previous setup I've been using from all my videos. This one has been reliable. It's been good for so many years. I'm actually gonna boot this one up just so we can compare the difference with the 4 and the 11. This is 7 generations apart. Let's go head out. Let's go have some fun. Let's bring out the cars and see how these cameras do. All right, so we got the key. I'm praying that this car starts. Oh, the light's not working. That's a bad sign. Come on, car. Oh no, this one's dead. Ah, the Mark II is dead. Aww. So the Mark II is dead. That's why it's so important to start up the cars during storage. But let's move on to the S. Hopefully that one's good. It should be good. I use it sometimes. So let's move on to the S. Up in this car, look at that new flip up. Come on. Workspell, shout out to Workspell. This one should be good. Of course. Shout out to the S. Alright, so while we let the S warm up, let's try out those GoPros. GoPro Hero 4, the S2000 is warming up. Just to give you a reference of the old setup, and then we're going to put it on the GoPro 11. So here's the new GoPro Hero 11 Black. S2000 is warming up. Let me know if y'all see the difference. How it looks on the Hero 11 selfie view. Looks kind of cool. I can see myself. And here's the S2000. Fire. Let's close this up real quick. Engine bay. This is super dusty, but if anyone knows how to clean it, let me know. Everything's dusty, but let's close this up. Alright, so now we're setting off in the GoPro Hero 11 POV style. I still got all my stuff inside the car. There's a bunch of stuff here because of the install of the Workspell. If you haven't seen it already, go check that video out. We do have the new flip up, so go check that out. But yeah, we're in the S. It's been so long. Do I still know how to drive this car? Of course. This car will be a real test for this GoPro because super stiff, you feel all the bumps. Let's see if the Hyper Smooth can manage it. Brakes are still good. miss this. Oh my gosh. Let's chill out a bit. You guys can see the sun. Nice day today, for real. I'm extremely curious to see how the audio is with this new GoPro. For the 4, I have to use the skeleton case just so I can get better audio. But this one, I think, is just the camera itself. So let's see how far GoPro has come with the audio. You hear the car, you hear me. Is it balanced well? We'll see post-production. I always underestimate this car. Like, I don't think it's super fast, but like it's pretty quick. I haven't been here in a long time, but Brampton is changing a lot. Like, look at these new homes, housing. It's definitely changing the look of the town a little bit, but it's all right. Brampton's still Brampton. Look at that old school. So I'm looking for a spot to pull over, and then we'll get some outside shots of the S and see how the GoPro is. Okay, so we found this little school over here. Got this tilt up. Let's see how it does. There we go. Tilt it up. Let's get out the car. It's actually a good time to get some pictures. There you guys have it. That's GoPro footage right there. First time using the GoPro Hero 11. It looks good. I don't know. I'm not editing the video right now, but it looks good so far. Hopefully it's super stable while I'm walking right now. But yeah, I'm impressed. I'm super impressed. Ooh, which dog's going crazy? But I got some pics in front of this school, random ass school. Looks kind of good with the brick. Damn, dog need to chill. But yeah, GoPro Hero 11. Invest in yourself and get one too. I don't know. So I actually owe you guys an RHD POV with the Mark II. That's gonna come soon. I didn't know that car was gonna die. It's been alive for these months, just sitting, but yeah, we'll get that car up and you guys will see an RHD POV. But there you guys have it, GoPro Hero 11 Black. This is the official test. Let me know what you guys think down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you in the next one. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Check out all the recent content. And I'll see you guys later. Peace. Ooh, that flip up.